Now we are going to discuss another important problem which was given in the year 2020 here from the distribution problem. This is some standard result. Okay, the Poisson distribution is given by, the Poisson distribution is given by probability of x equals to x e power of minus lambda power of x by x factorial, x equals to 0, 1, 2 and so on infinity. We are given that in our problem unit here Poisson distribution with unit mean. That is what is the mean of Poisson distribution? Lambda. We are given it is 1. Okay, now our distribution becomes here probability of x equals to x, that is p of x equals to e power of minus 1. 1 power of x means here 1 only by here x factorial. Now I want to find out mean deviation about mean. Mean deviation about mean. About the mean. Here what is the formula? Here expectation of mod x minus mu. Here but here mu is given as 1 unit mean, that is 1. Now as we know the definition of expectation of f of x, sigma f of x into p of x here, that is sigma here what is this f of x mod x minus 1 into here p of x Morse function. Here x values are 0 to infinity. Sigma x equals to 0 to infinity mod here x minus 1 here p of x means what here? Here e power of minus 1 by x factorial. You common e power of minus 1, that is 1 by e. Sigma x equals to 0 to infinity mod x minus 1 by x factorial. Now we have to expand it. That is 1 by e into x equals to 0. Okay, here mod 0 minus 1 means mod minus 1. Here modulus of negative values is it becomes positive, that is 1. 0 factorial means 1. 1 by 1 is 1. X equals to 1 if you have to give, the term will become 0. 1 minus 1. X equals to 2 if you give, here mod 2 minus 1 means 1 by 2 factorial. Here x equals to 3 you will give 3 minus 1, that is 2 by 3 factorial plus and so on. Okay, now here we have one standard result. What is our standard result now? N by n plus 1 factorial can be written as here n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 factorial. N can be written as n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 factorial. If you have to split here numerator terms with the denominator term, you will get n plus 1 by n plus 1 factorial minus 1 by n plus 1 factorial. N plus 1 factorial means n plus 1 into n factorial. N plus 1 gets cancelled, 1 by n factorial minus 1 by n plus 1 factorial. Here now here you see 1 by e 1 plus if you give here suppose for n equals to 1, if you give 1 by here 1 plus 1 2 factorial, 1 by 2 factorial. 1 by 2 factorial can be written as 1 as usual you have to take. 1 by 2 factorial can be written as for n equals to 1 you have to substitute, then only 1 by 2 factorial. This is the term we can get. That is 1 by 1 factorial minus 1 by 1 plus 1 2 factorial. Next here to get this term I put n equals to here 2. N equals to 2 means 2 by 2 plus 1, 2 by 3 factorial. 2 by 3 factorial can be written as here 1 by here 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial. Okay, here and so on. Here and so on you have to get. Finally, here. Now, what you have to get? This term gets cancelled. This term gets cancelled. Here finally you can get 1 by here 1 plus 1. 1 by 1 plus 1. All terms will become cancels. That is 1 by e into 2. That is 2 by e. 2 by e into 1 I am written as. Here 2 by e into here 1 means it is a standard deviation. Why no? Here mean and here variance here are same, no, in the Poisson distribution, lambda only, no, here mean, here that is here mean means expectation of x or mu, here variance, both are same. Standard deviation means what? Root of variance, that means root lambda. Already we are given unit mean, that means unit mean in the sense that here variance, that is lambda equals 1 only, that is root 1. Root 1 means 1. That's what I have to say, that this is the standard deviation. Hence I proved that here the mean deviation about the mean is 2 by e times of standard deviation. Hence this is the solution.